Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So I have another FPV LUX crate here. This is for the month of November. I am actually really excited. I have a decent idea what's in this FPV crate. FPV LUX kind of dropped a hint last month on one of my videos, and I am super excited for what's possibly in this. Let's get in. All right, we have some props. These are the HQ Juicy Prop J37s. Look at that. We have 2 sets of props. Wow, going against the standard convention of 3 sets of props per bag. There's only 2. And we've got some pretty cool stickers. Yeah, I'm excited about these. These are pretty badass stickers. And here we go. Here's the shirt. No fancy transitions, nothing like that, but here we go. Now, I'm not a huge fan of dark colored shirts, but this one, this one is pretty cool. I really like this. Yeah, I love it. Bot Grinder, his logo is awesome. This shirt is awesome. Same awesome fit as before. Same great material. I do notice between on the dark shirts between so FPV Crate's threaded service and FPV LUX, they're using the same shirts. I'm assuming they're using probably the same facility. But on the dark shirts, look at right here. There is a weird faded line. I know it might be kind of hard to see, but this is lighter than this. And it's a perfect square going all the way around it. And I don't know if there's anything they could do about it. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But I do like this. I do like that the FPV LUX crate has one less piece of plastic in it. Some of the other services, they put a plastic bag on everything. FPV LUX is just the packaging, the shirt, and then whatever other goodies are in there. One less plastic bag. Plastic bag probably was already there. They probably just threw it away. I don't know. But anyways, the end user gets one less chunk of plastic to throw away. Little things like that. Do they matter? Do you care? Let me know. Put in the comments down below. If you want to get yourself one of these FPV LUX shirts, because this one's pretty awesome, head to the link in the video description. Not affiliated. They're not sending me this stuff. I just happen to really like these shirts, and I like what they're doing. All right, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you all next time. Stay positive.